5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200. Right on flat crest 40. 2 left dome cut and 3 right into 1 left over crest line 100. Flat 1 left 80. Flat 3 left dome cut and 1 right 100. Fast 4 left opens over crest and it's slippy. 80. Flat 3 left over crest 150. Clear crest line, fast 4 right. 60. Flat 2 right 80. 1 left 60, right side, clear 2 left over crest down cut clip and caution very long, 2 left over small bumps, finds the 3 at the wall, slippy wet, 40, 4 right slippy. 80 up the mid. Flat 3 left 150. Clear left on crest into 4 right down and it opens to 1. And long 2 left continues into chicane right entry 3 bales. It's your 1 board right entry. And long 2 right over crest into bumps 500. Flat 2 left 200 down the mid. Clear late 4 right over bridge slippy, keep in late into bump 60. Long 1 left over crest jumps 100. Tight 3 right and 1 left into 3 right into slow 1 left into line 4 left at the rock don't cut 60. 1 left over crest bump 80. Slow 3 right and slippy 4 left over crest big don't cut and sharp 5 right big don't cut slippy of wet. And 2 right 40, caution crest into 2 left tightens to 4 left, big down cut at the sign, 40, mind the car here now, sharp 4 right through the tunnel, 60 line sharp 5 left, into 1 right over crest, 40, sharp 5 left, and 5 right stay out, into 4 right go, 60, 1 left 40, braking 2 left over crest, bump over 40, fast 5 left, slippy of wet, 100. 3 right over crest into bump, into 2 right, 130, crest, 60, flat 2 left down cut, 150, slow 2 left, only 65 left down cut, over water, push out, and late sharp 5 right, 100. 1 right 80. 3 left into 3 right down cut, into 5 left down cut, new surface ahead, and 5 right down cut, slippy of wet, and square left down cut, 60, long 4 right down cut, slippy of wet, push out, and crest, and fast 4 left down cut, and flat 3 right down cut, and flat 3 right again, 80, slow 3 left down cut, into square right down cut, slippy of wet, 60, 2 right and 4 left into 3 right and line, fast 4 left carry and 2 right and fast 4 left and flat 3 right, 80, late 3 left over crest into sudden 5 right, sudden 5 and caution 1 left running water into 2 right down cut, into 2 left and hug 4 right, 60, line, fast 4 right, slippy of wet into long 2 left in past the view, 80, cut 4 left in over gravel, push out, 40, oil ahead now, long 3 left into 4 left in at the sign, into sharp 4 right, 100. Late 3 left over crest down cut, 60, sharp 4 right wet. And 2 left over crest, and 2 left over crest again, into 4 right down cut, stay mid, into 4 right again, 80, slow 2 right, and 5 left. And flat 2 right down cut, into 1 left, 100 up, right on flat crest to the top. into one left 40, mid over crest, and one right over crest 60, caution tight 3 left over crest, into 3 right, 80, fast 4 right, into 2 left, 80, 3 left, into flat 3 right, hug and keep in, and 1 left, 200 up the mid, 2 left, and 2 right, and fast 3 left over the bridge, 80, long 1 right tightens to 2 right at the sign, and 1 left 100, long 1 right into long 2 left 60, sharp 4 left don't cut, and flat 3 right opens 150, very long 1 right over crest don't cut, 300 down, slippy of wet, chicane right in 3 beats, mind the braking, 3 board, 2 board, 1 board right entry, and 2 right, and long 2 left slippy of wet, and 1 right, into hold sharp 2 left in, into crest, and hold fast 3 right, 40, 1 left over crest into line, 3 left at the post, carry, 60, 2 right 60, left on crest and 3 right, clip 100, flat 2 left opens to 1, hug 80, 2 left on cut of the sign into fast 3 right, 100, long 2 left over crest, don't cut, and very long 3 right continues for 80, into slow crest and sharp 4 left opens, 60, 4 left into sharp 4 right, 100, 2 right, 150, turn 5 right inlet, big carry, gravel maybe, 100, flat 2 left in, into crest jump, only 80, mind the braking, 4 left push, and 1 right, into crest, flat 2 left, and very long 2 right through the dip water inside, and flat 2 left, into 2 right over crest, big long cut, 40, 3 left over crest, into 3 left again, continues in hole, 250, chicane right entry 4 bales, 2 board, 1 board, 4 bales, into 3 left, 130 up the mid, line 3 right, 100, flat 2 left, and 1 left, 150, 1 left up, and left on crest, only 100, mind the braking for late 4 right, and it opens, Island the road, 60, long 2 left tightens to sharp 4, okay, mind that road, and the long 2 left and fast 3 right, 60, flat 1 right, 60 over bumps, long 2 right, 100, water ahead in aisle, tight 3 right, 100, turn fast 5 left and cut, and late 3 right, and long 3 left tightens late, 40, 1 right into crest, only 40, fast 4 right at the gate, and it opens to 1, use the board from the chicane now, and slow 2 left into chicane right entry, 3 bales, double caution late 4 left and it tightens, and kink flat 1 right into flat 2 left, 60, here very long 3 left tightens late, and sharp 5 right at the post slippy, 5, and flat 3 left, 2 right continues hold, tightens to 3, and 5 left at the chevron, slippy of wet, and sharp 4 right, and flat 3 left, and long 2 right over crest flat, and very long flat 2 left continues over crest 60, 1 right over crest 40, sharp 4 right over bump 60, very long 1 right, 170 over bumps, flat crest into long 1 left tightens fast 3 left at the gate, And caution, 3 right, narrows and then slippy. Only 40 over bump stop, late 5 left at the pole. Into fast 4 right, opens to flat 3 right in. 80, sharp 3 right down, cut over small bump, water inside. 60, 2 right, and hug long 3 left. And 2 right over bump 60, 3 left slippy of wet, braking over 40 down, sharp 4 right. Into 4 left. And 4 left again at the second pole. And very long 4 right. And sharp 4 right down, cut after the gate. And long 4 left tightens to 5 left over bumps. Into 3 right in muddy exit. And long 3 left slippy. And flat 2 right over dip. Into 1 right over crest, bump and clear crest jump. Into flat 2 left and fast 3 right, okay, past the junction. And caution, stop 3 left, tightens to 4 at the lane. And long 3 right, tightens to 5 at the gap, slippy of wet. And 5 left, into 5 right, tightens. And 4 left, 5 here. And 4 left, and 5 right opens. Into flat 3 left, into flat 2 right over bump 80, slow 2 right and sharp 4 left at the fence. And fast 4 right, don't cut. And flat 2 left, 80, caution, slow 2 left over crest, mind the braking hug, sharp 5 right, carry and push out. And 2 left, into long flat 2 left, 60 danger, 3 left tight and sharp 4 at the second lane. And caution, very long 3 right, tightens to 4, slippy, push out. Tightens to 4, 60. Long flat 1 left over crest, 100. 5 left at the post, 5 left. And long 2 right, tightens to 4 at the pole, water inside, push out early. 80 over bumps. Flat 2 right over crest, 80, mind the braking. Sharp 5 left, opens to 4 over the finish. 4 right slippy. Well done.
Oh man, that was tough.
Savage time, Paul, that's unbelievable. 12:19.